9 reagents in just 9 minutes. If you don't have so much time and you want to learn more content in a small time period, then this video will be very much helpful for you. Let's say SOCl2, thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride, what is the trick is, just see the tricks I am going to teach you. Just use this and solve your question. Trick is remove OH. Let's say remove OH and keep Cl. That's it. Can you try your product? Remove OH, keep Cl. Remove OH and keep Cl in its place. Reagent number 2. When you see the phosphorus halides like PX3, PX5, in such cases, remove OH and keep halogen. Remove OH, what you need to do? Keep X in its place. Now can you try the product? Remove this OH, in its place keep Cl. Reagent number 3. Chlorine or a bromine in the presence of UV light or sunlight. In such case, what you have to do? Bromine or a chlorine in the presence of UV or sunlight, 3 types of reactions will happen. One is free radical substitution, one is allylic substitution, one more is benzylic substitution. Let's say free radical substitution, remove one hydrogen. Here what you do? Remove hydrogen H and keep Cl in this place. Or if you are using chlorine, you put Cl. If you are using Br, you put Br. So I'll remove one hydrogen, I will add Br. And if you are doing allylic substitution like alkenes, if they give you alkene in exam, if they give alkane, just remove hydrogen, put a chlorine or a bromine. If they give alkene, allylic position. What do you mean by allylic position? Double bonded carbon, next carbon is allylic. This sp3 carbon is allylic position. So in allylic position, remove hydrogen and keep Cl. Same thing. Keep Cl. So in this place, I am going to remove one hydrogen. I am going to put Cl. That's it. Instead of alkenes, if they give alkyl benzene, so what you have to do? Benzylic position you need to take, and from there same remove hydrogen and keep chlorine. What do you mean by benzylic position? Benzene ring next connected carbon is benzylic carbon. There remove the hydrogen. This benzene ring next carbon must be sp3. There remove one hydrogen, put the halogen like chlorine or a bromine. That's it. Is it clear? 3 reagents completed. Reagent number 4. Bromine over carbon tetrachloride. When you see this, across double bond, C double bond is there, right? Break the bond, add Br on both the sides. Add Br in both the sides in anti position. Anti-addition takes place. Anti-addition. So here you see, break the bond. What you have to do, students, tell me? 1 Br from downside, 1 Br from upside. Anti-position. Okay, coming to the H. This will help you to cover in a short time, like when you are walking, or when you are, you are in bus stop, or when you are before sleeping, or when you have very short time. Watch this video, you will cover it. HBr or HI. Okay, when you see this, it will follow Markownikoff's rule. Which rule? Tell me. Markownikoff's rule. What this rule will say? Double bonded carbon is there, right? Take the double bonded carbon. In that, which carbon is having less hydrogens? Here 1 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogens. This is having less hydrogens, right? So break the bond. You HBr, how it will break? H plus Br minus. The negative part you add to the carbon having less number of hydrogens. So negative part add to the double bonded carbon, add to the double bonded carbon having less number of hydrogens. Less number of hydrogens. So double bonded carbon 1, 2. Okay, this is having less hydrogens, one position. So then you add that Br here and the hydrogen other side. Then CH2, one hydrogen you are adding, it will become CH3. Next, even iodine also same place. But HBr, only HBr, in the presence of peroxides, it shows anti-Markownikoff's rule. What is the rule? Anti-Markownikoff's rule. Anti-Markownikoff's rule. What you have to do? HBr, how it will break? It will follow the free radical mechanism. Simply you can write the product reverse. Here Br minus is going to the carbon having less hydrogens. Here Br goes to the carbon having more number of hydrogens. See, in this case 1, 2, let's say general numbering, which is having more hydrogens, this one. You put Br there. CH3, CH bond, CH2, keep Br here and H here. Just reverse to that. That's why it is anti-Markownikoff's. Next, 8th reagent, sodium iodide over acetone. It is Finkelstein reagent. What is the reagent, students? Tell me. Finkelstein reagent. What this reagent will do is remove the halogen like chlorine or bromine here and put iodine. Remove chlorine or bromine and keep iodine there. So what is our product? Can you tell me? CH3, CH2I. And next one is either you can use AgF, Hg2F2, COF2 or SbF3. Any of one reagent. It is called Swarts reaction. What is the reaction? Swarts reaction. In this case, what is the trick? You know, remove chlorine or bromine and keep fluorine. What do you say? Remove chlorine or bromine and keep fluorine in its place. You know, it is very much helpful for you to revise in short time. 9th one. Excess ammonia. When you see excess ammonia, primary amines are the products. Remove the Br. Trick is remove Br and keep NH3. Keep NH2. So you will get CH3, CH2, NH2. That's it. 9 reagents you completed. What are those 9 reagents, students? Tell me. SOCl2, PX3 or PX5, chlorine or bromine in presence of UV or sunlight, bromine in carbon tetrachloride, HBr or HI Markownikoff's rule, HBr in peroxides anti-Markownikoff's rule, sodium iodide in acetone Finkelstein reaction, and AgF Swarts reaction, and excess ammonia gives primary amines. So in less than 9 minutes you learnt 9 different reagents. If you want me to make like this different reagents so that you can cover the syllabus in short time, let me know in comment section and tell me how is this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am your Komali ma'am, chemistry mentor. Forgot to tell you, try this question. This is from NCERT 10.5. Okay, just try this and let me know your answer, whether you are able to do it or not, in the comment section. This is the question. Okay, OH is there, SOCl2 is there. What is the product you will keep? Remove OH and keep Cl here. Same way, try next questions and let me know how many you are able to do it.